Good morning! Gagala kami for today. Yay! Day out! Yay!
South Drive, then turn right onto PBA Avenue.
May ano tayo?
Okay ka na doon, may pagkababi ka na. Pwede ka na. Ma'am, paunahin ko na si sir.
Sige na.
Manipay pa naman. Sorry po.
Kuya. We're here at Papa's So Ezekiel. It's Ezekiel's time. Hindi mo kay Papa. Guys, we're done. My kids and my husband got their passport, but me, no. My God. I'm very, I'm very upset now, guys, because there's a problem on my PSA. So that's it. See you on Market. Wait lang, pakita natin yung office ni Papa. This is the office of my husband. You here?
Oh, ito, paano to? Dalhin na lang nyo? Bitawan muna. Ang bigat nito, ano ba yung malaman? Andiyan nga yung damit mo eh. Kaya ako nakabili pala ng pagkain.
Tama lang. Lablab, lablab.
Ama, magpaano ka ulit?